If you're looking for an effective way to make $5,000 in 7 days, just the power of affiliate marketing and I will do it. So make sure you pay attention right to the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Ready to start making money online with affiliate marketing, but not sure where to start? That's where AffBank come in. AffBank is a new affiliate website similar to other popular platforms like ClickBank and DigiStore. AffBank is designed to connect you with a wide network, a wide range of products and services that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. This means you can earn a commission for every sale you make through your unique affiliate link. The first step to start working with AffBank is to create an account, which is the registration process. It's quick and easy. You'll be asked to provide basic information such as your email address, name and payment details are available. AffBank offers a wide range of positions to choose from. Are you interested in health and fitness? Wherever it's beauty and skincare or digital marketing and software, there's something for everyone, which means you can choose a niche that interests you. Once you have chosen a product or service to promote, making it easier for you to effectively promote the product or service, you should copy your unique affiliate link. This link is what drives traffic to the product or service you use, and this way you can earn your commission. You can share this link on social media, your website, through other marketing channels to generate traffic and sales. So now that you know everything about AffBank, let's go to the first stage of today's training. Sometimes it is difficult to choose a product because it can make all the difference in your success. So selection of products in the health and fitness sector, diet programs and fitness equipment. When choosing a product to promote in this niche, it is important to consider a few key points. If you are interested in health and fitness and have experience with exercise programs or supplements, you should first be interested in and consider your experience. Promoting products in this niche nationally brings you the opportunity to talk automatically about the products and its benefits, which can make it more attractive to potential customers. Also, when choosing a product to promote in the health and fitness niche, it's important to think about the quality of the product itself. Look for products that are well reviewed and have a good reputation among customers, provide value to your audience, and help them achieve their health and fitness goals. Products you can promote in the health and fitness section is a workout program designed to help people lose weight and get in shape. The focus is on high intensity interval training or training designed for beginners who are just beginning. Another option in health and fitness supplements, it is important to choose products that are backed by scientific research and have a good reputation among customers. Creating a landing page is very important when you are doing affiliate marketing. Let potential customers after they click on your affiliate link, and this is where you make your offer for the product. your promotion, but not everyone has the skills or knowledge to create a professional landing page from scratch. That's where Mixo comes in, an AI-powered tool that can help you create a high-quality landing page in seconds. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your product and create a landing page that's optimized for conversion. Even if you have no experience with landing page design, you can use this tool to create a page that looks great and delivers results. Mixo provides a wide range of templates to choose from, so you can find one that matches your style. Your product, once you choose a template, you can customize it to suit your needs. Mixo allows you to add text, image, and other elements to your landing page with just a few clicks, and you can also add your page to optimize for search engine knowledge and meta description once you've created your landing page. Creating traffic on the landing page. There are a number of ways to do this, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, SEO, and paid advertising. Promote your affiliate offer without spending dime on advertising costs, making them a great option for affiliate marketing who are just starting out and don't have a lot of money to invest in advertising to start affiliate marketing. The first step is to create an account on the website. The process is relatively simple, and after creating an account, it only takes a few minutes to create and manage your advertising campaigns. Key points to keep in mind: first of all, you need to make sure that your ad is targeted to the right audience. This means choosing the right keyword, choosing the right demographics, and targeting the right geography. Your ad page needs creative. This is the part of the ad that people, when they click on your ad, make sure your ad is eye-catching because you will be competing with many other ads for the attention for your target audience.